Well, hello and welcome back. I am currently at a new thrift shop. I just got done going to the Furniture Mart, which is one of my favorite places to go, to order some carpet for the acreage. And I have had this thrift shop on my list for quite a while and I have not yet made it here. So we are going to do a little shop with me and see what we can find. We're at Thrift America in Omaha. Do not ask me what the address is because I don't know. I just put it into my phone. So let's go in and see what we can find. I'm pretty sure that's a spoon rack. It's coming home with me. Finally. Well, that was fun. I know I'm all shakety shake. So I finally found a spoon holder. Like, you know, the vintage spoons. So I can use it for my hankies. So that was a win. And it was $7.99 on sale, half price. So that was good. And then the other fun thing that I got was one of the North American Bear Company VIBs, very important bears. Mrs. Claus, C-L-A-W-S. So you probably, if you looked at my craft room tour, I have, is it Rembrandt? Can't remember, but it's one of the art ones. And my mom used to have a whole bunch. I think she still got them, but that was $2.99. It's cuter than a bug's ear, so it's going with my Christmas decor. And I got a few magazines that I think some of you might be interested in. And that's about it. But it was super cute, really well laid out, very clean. So I will definitely be coming back. So now we're headed back to Iowa. So until next time, cheers.